Did you know your kitchen could be the most powerful pharmacy to fight off cold and flu? Forget expensive pills. These simple home remedies can help you feel better, fast. Stay tuned. Because remedy number 4 is a secret most doctors won't tell you. Smash that subscribe button, share, and comment Instant Remedy if you're ready to kick that cold to the curb. Hey everyone, welcome to Instant Remedy, your trusted corner for health hacks backed by real remedies. Today, we're breaking down the 7 best home remedies for cold and flu relief, using nothing but what's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Remedy 1. Honey with warm water footage. Drizzling honey into warm water, person sipping it. Soothing effect shown first up. Nature's golden healer, honey. Studies show honey can soothe a sore throat, suppress cough, and even help you sleep better when you're sick. Mix 1 tablespoon of pure honey in a glass of warm water and sip slowly. But remember, honey is a no-go for kids under 1 year old. Remedy 2. Ginger tea footage. Fresh ginger sliced, boiled, steaming tea poured into a cup. Next is the ancient warrior, ginger tea. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It can ease congestion, reduce throat irritation, and even calm nausea that often comes with the flu. Just boil a few slices of fresh ginger for 10 minutes, add a little honey, and sip away. Remedy 3. Steam inhalation footage. Person over steaming bowl with towel overhead feeling stuffed up. Steam inhalation works like magic. Simply boil water, pour it into a bowl. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil if you have them. Cover your head with a towel and inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. It clears nasal passages, loosens mucus, and brings instant relief. Remedy 4. Garlic. The natural antibiotic footage. Garlic cloves being chopped, crushed, mixed into warm soup. Here's the one most people overlook. Garlic, known as nature's antibiotic. Garlic is packed with allicin, a compound that fights viruses and bacteria. Crush a raw garlic clove. Let it sit for 10 minutes to activate its healing powers. Then add it to your meals or swallow with warm water. Yes, your breath might scare people, but at least you'll feel better. Remedy 5. Salt water gargle. Simple but powerful. The salt water gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. This soothes a scratchy throat, reduces swelling, and flushes out nasty germs. Old school. Yes, effective. Absolutely. Remedy 6. Rest and fluids. Finally, the basics we often forget. Rest and fluids. Your body needs energy to fight the virus. Sleep as much as you can and sip warm water, tea, or clear broth frequently to stay hydrated and flush out toxins. Skip sugary drinks. They only slow recovery. There you have it. The best science-backed home remedies to crush cold and flu symptoms naturally and quickly. But remember, if your symptoms worsen or last more than 7 days, always consult a doctor. Which remedy are you trying first? Drop a comment below saying Instant Remedy if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Instant Remedy, where your health comes first, naturally.